This is presentation for GC-8 Informal Learning AI Large Language Model Fine-Tuning on Entrepreneurship. So we are team members, myself, Jyoti, Melina and Kristen. So our main aim is to explore open source language model, select one, fine-tune it on entrepreneurship dataset to create an informal question answer style model. So which demonstrates the utilization of existing models and fine-tune it, and also provide a platform that aids individuals with startup and queries. So we've used models such as large language model as Meta Llama to 7 billion parameters, and small language models like Gemma 2B and Tiny Llama 2B. So Llama 2B, we fine-tuned this model, and this model was used from the Hugging Face with authentication access tokens, and for the entrepreneurship enquiries, fine-tuned it. And the setup was done by a VIP, and also imported necessary libraries and configuration of Hugging Face, transformers for loading, pre-trained and model and tokenizer. The first screenshot shows the loading of model and tokenizer, and utilized a personalized SSH server with GPU capability and startup data provided by Professor. So the actual document was converted into question answer style pair and generated by Python script, and that document was transferred to SSH server using SAP protocol, and then pre-processed the data set and employed techniques like quantization and PFT for optimizing the model efficiency and reducing complexity computational, and also trained the model and also incorporated training metrics, loss, runtime to check the model's performance, and the statistics also indicates that the model is learning effectively. And post-training integrated the trained model and merged into a final checkpoint for inference. So this model successfully generated responses on entrepreneurship. So here is a screenshot of the code and the response. So input question says what is customer centricity, and the model was able to paraphrase and generate then response which says centricity business strategies that focus on understanding and meeting the needs of customers. And now coming to Gemma and Tiny Llama. So these are small language models. These were executed on Google Colab with access to Hugging Face for tokens, and Google Gemma 2B and Tiny Llama 1.1 chat version 1.0. So and for coming to dataset, so modify the dataset of data bricks 15K for Llama Tiny Llama model, and added that dataset to Hugging Face in the format of instruction and response. And here also uses techniques too for the model efficiency, and changing the parameters can train the model which can be used online or desktop. So successfully this model also successfully generated the responses on the data set. So which shows here the sample screenshot of the code, input text, what is the benefits of mentorship, and the code was able to generate the response for the mentorship. So coming to conclusion, so we've explored and researched available Llama large language models and chosen large language model Llama 2 7B and small models like Gemma 2B and Tiny 2B for fine-tuning on entrepreneurship dataset. So both Llama 2B, Llama 2 7B and Tiny Llama 2B models generated responses effectively. Thank you.